If my man tell me I look good, then I look good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be going through my thoughts, how I apply, and how I love the new NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I am in the shade New Caledonia. I've used New Caledonia before. That's my shade for the natural, what's it called? The long wear radiant natural. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The other NARS foundation, and I love that foundation. And I decided to pick up this soft matte foundation because we are getting into the winter months, and when you're going out, I do tend to get oily in my T-zone area, so I just figured this would be perfect. So let's go ahead and read the claims of this foundation. So this foundation retails for $40 on Sephora.com and on NARS. It claims to be a full coverage foundation, transfer proof, oxidation resistant foundation that lasts up to 16 hours with a natural looking matte finish. So let's get into it. How to use. They always say that they want to dispense a small amount in the back of your hand, and this has 1 drop delivers full coverage in fingertip application. We could try it out, but I don't know. But first we're going to prep the skin. So to prep my skin, I'm going to go ahead. I've been using this primer. So I have a couple new products, y'all. I've upgraded my makeup a little bit, just a tad bit. But yeah, I'm going to be going in with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I've been using this for a little bit too, and I actually really like it. It like clings my makeup to my skin. So we're just going to go ahead and apply that primer before putting anything else on the face. And I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera, as you can see, because I knew that was going to take up time, and that is not the focus of today's video. So my primer's on. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the foundation, honey. And look at the packaging. Like, I'm in love with this frosted. Can you see? Focus here. Okay. I'm in love with this frosted packaging. As I said before, I've used it before, so the packaging is a little rinky-dink, but we move. So it says to apply the foundation, you want to use your fingertips, and they say 1 drop on the back of your hand. 1 drop. That's 1 drop. I think that was a little more, but we're gonna need a little more. Use your fingertip and apply it on your face. This is only doing one side of my face, if that. So I'm gonna use a lot more than 1 drop. There we go. And fingertip application. I'm not even a fan of fingertip application. I'd rather just put it on my face, but I'm trying to follow the directions here, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead with my foundation brush and take the Morphe Luminous setting spray and spray it on my brush. And then we're gonna blend this baby out. Full coverage claim is very accurate. It is full coverage, just that 1 layer. I didn't use too much and it is covered, but I'm looking for a little bit more coverage. So I'm gonna go ahead with a few more dots and just cover up some areas that I feel like need some extra coverage. All right, so the foundation is on, and so far I can see that it is a soft matte. It doesn't give you that matte finish that like that Fenty matte foundation used to do, like, but this one, it is matte. It goes on, it does dry down fast, so when you apply it, you should move quick when it's time to blend it out because it is matte, but it doesn't give you that cakey look after it's applied. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up my face and then come back and give you guys my full blown out review on how I feel about this foundation. So let's go. Okay. So now that my concealer is blended, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with this powder from AC Cosmetics in the color Butternut Beige. And the reason why I like the setting powder is because it comes with the separation, like the little net, and it kind of like acts as, you know how sometimes where you take your powder and you like blow it off or you dab it on your hand? That net right there kind of like helps you dust off any excess powder that you might not need. So I like that. I've been into bronzing lately, and my go-to product for bronzing has been the Morphe Glamabronze bronzer. It's a body bronzer, face and body bronzer in the color Leader. And I just find this to be the perfect bronzer for me. I love it. Like, it gets the job done. That's my shorty. But before we use her, I'm going to go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Deep. Now I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face with the thing I was just talking about. I'm so good. But yeah, like I was saying before, the reason why, sorry, I'm on my nose, but I'm not a fan of contouring. I think that's because I feel like my face has a natural contour. So like my face is pretty chiseled. The only place that I feel the need to do some extra contouring is sometimes my nose. But besides that, I'm not really pressed about contouring my face because, like I said, it naturally contours. So bronzer honestly does enough. What's next? Like, we're almost done here, y'all. I move quick. I don't waste time when it comes to these soft beats. No time wasted. Right. I go crazy with this stuff. Have a ball. Okay. So I'm going to hop off camera, put my lashes on, and get back on, and then we can wrap up this video. Alright guys, so I am finally complete with the face, but something's missing, and it's definitely the lip. So we're going to go ahead and get into this nude lip combo. For this lip combo, I'm going to be using the ultimate, the infamous, the timeless MAC lip liner in the color Chestnut. So I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with this lip liner. Okay, so now that my lips are lined, I'm going to go in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Eclair. This one's going to give you like that nice little pink little pout. You know, like, you know, a nude could be a nude with chestnut, but when you have that nice little like pink colored gloss in the center, and you smack it together, honey. It just looks good. Like, it's the perfect nude for a brown chocolate girl like myself. So if you're looking for a nude combo, I would definitely recommend these two. Like, you could never go wrong. I probably wear this lip combo 99% of the time. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like 99% of the time I'm wearing this lip combo. All right guys, I'm back. My camera cut off and I do not know where I left off. I believe I was giving you my lip combo, but like I said, I use this lip combo 99% of the time. And to top it off, I've already applied it, but my camera cut off and I didn't know. I was using a gloss from Luxe Culture Cosmetics in the color Let's Be Clear. This color right here. She has a couple glosses in her line. These are they. So if you are interested in getting some quality glosses, I would definitely recommend. I'll leave her website down below and her IG. Yeah, love these glosses. Can't go wrong with them. My favorite one, actually, let me give you my favorite one. My favorite one from the line is Milk Marie. I love this gloss. Like if you're looking for like a nice pink gloss, this is she. I would definitely recommend this soft matte foundation. I like it and I'm going to be using this for the remaining of the year until it's done. So if you grab it and try it, let me know how you like it. Just refer back to the comments and let me know. But yes, guys, thank you for sticking out to the end of this video. And I have some exciting news. I'm just excited for everybody who's been on this journey with me and has been supporting me from the beginning. I see you and I appreciate you. So in acts of giving back and just giving to those who support me, I will be doing a giveaway and I'm giving away a brand new pair of AirPod Pros. So I'm going to give you the simple rules to enter this giveaway. 1, like this video. 2, make sure you subscribe to my channel because if you're not, what are you even doing here? Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. And lastly, after you've done all 3 of those things, comment done down below. And you are simply entered into the giveaway. And far that has pushed me to keep going. It has not been easy. I know I keep disappearing. But the one tip is that the only time that you become a failure is when you stop trying. And I have not stopped trying, guys. Like, I've gone through a lot with this journey, but I keep coming back and I'm really persistent about it. So I'm not going nowhere. I'm here. Yes, guys. Oh, and my faux locks. I didn't even tell you about my locks, girl. The big. Anyway, I have in some soft distressed crochet locks. My cousin did them for me because I did not feel like doing them. And braiding up my hair was just a lot. It took forever. But she got them done and I love these locks, y'all. Like, if you know me, I'm not really a fan of keeping my braids in long, but I've already had these in for about a month now, and I'm probably going to keep them in for another week. At first, I wanted to do some shorter butterfly locks, but decided to go to long ones, and I wanted to cut them and do butterfly locks, but I don't know. I'm missing my wigs like so dearly, so I think this is it, but they are very long, and I love them. They come all the way down to my waist, and yeah, I just love it. It's so low maintenance. And I feel like the longer you have them in and the messier they get, the neater they look. Like, they just look good. That is all for this video. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. I love y'all. We are at 1K. We have so much more to go, but I am learning to just appreciate and celebrate each milestone I get. So thank you guys so much for it. And be sure to enter that giveaway and win a brand new pair of AirPod Pros. Like, comment, subscribe. I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.